Hey folks, Morgan here with Bring It On Brothers. Today I'm going to look at putting it in a bidet. This is called the Luxe Bidet. Woo! Bring it on, brothers. Alright, here's the toilet specimen. Here goes nothing. We're going to just open her up and see what she looks like. Open up here. Ooh, a better bathroom experience starts here. To see about that. Alright, well there's the actual bidet unit. Comes with the hose, the tools, some PTFE tape, also known as Teflon tape, and a little T here. And instructions. Here goes nothing. Alright, first thing we gotta do is remove the old toilet seat. So this one's pretty easy. It has these little clips here. The type of toilet seat we have is an anti-move toilet seat. In order to do that, I thought I could just loosen those, but actually, there's these X plastic screws. Oh, that was pretty easy. Just loosen her up. Go. One down. Never knew I'd have so much fun next to a toilet seat. Should be able to pull this up. This rag is covered with cleaner, so it should be good. We're gonna unwrap this and put it in. Cal, you ready for your help?
Yes.
Whoa, good job, bud. So we put this on there, and we put these on so that the hole will line up with the slot. And the holes just go in and it holds it in place. Let's see if I did how I did. Stick that right back in just like that. Just like that. That was actually really easy. Okay, already installed besides the water. That was fast. All right, now it's time to hook up the water to the water line. This hose right here goes to fill up the tank. There's the hose. Here is the T, and here's some wrenches. We're actually gonna put this T right next to the toilet there. This bottom hose will come up to the bottom here, and then this will run to the bidet. So first thing we're gonna do is turn off the water. I'm gonna put it sideways like that. So I'm gonna flush the toilet. That was it. It's a spinning valve. So this is the off position when it's in perpendicular with the outgoing hose. If I put it in line, you start getting water again. Water off. That's simple. It's always a good idea to keep rags around because whenever you're undoing something with water, it tends to leak when you're undoing it. So here we go. Not too bad. So there's a rubber gasket in it. If there's ever a rubber gasket, you're usually good to go without adding any Teflon tape. So we're just gonna put this onto the bottom of the toilet. And look at this one. This one has a rubber gasket as well. So we're gonna go ahead and just twist that one on here. All right, there you go. So that's pretty tight on both of those. Screw this on here. What's nice is they gave us this little plastic wrench, basically, that turns it into a flange nut. Comes off to do this thing. Man, they were thinking. Look at that. Man, I'm impressed. Okay, we're just gonna go hand tight. Just like that. I'm gonna go ahead and store it back here just so it's out of the way. I'm gonna go ahead, turn on the water, and we'll see how it goes. Gal, did you turn that on? It's got to be in the off position. So make sure this is turned off when you turn on the water. There we go. Now we're not getting any water. Wow, look at that. That's some serious spray. Wow. So this is your water pressure. The off is off. It's not going to squirt at all. And then as you turn it up, the pressure gets higher and higher. And this one is the directional control. Rear points toward your rear, and then if you need it to aim forward more, turn it to the left, and then to clean the nozzle, turn it to the right, and cleans the nozzle. Well, I just finished doing the install on this, and I am sincerely impressed. The install time and the design took probably about 3 to 4 minutes. It might take up to 10 minutes if you're really just struggling. I mean, I only paid $45 for this, so I'll definitely recommend it for the price. It had the best reviews. I'll post the link in the description below. It worked great, and I definitely recommend it. All right, kids want to say goodbye. Say bye-bye. Say bye. We'll see you later. Bring it on, brothers. Oh boy. That's kind of hard. Oh, that's because I'm not doing the right thing. There's another. Did we clean this before we started? Yeah, we did. And I'm not just spinning for no reason here. So one thing to note, that water's got to be in the off position.